wasn't even looking. You know, like, boy, I've got to be a bit more alert. Oh, what? Just, why didn't you just keep up? Oh my God, I don't know what's happening right now. It's all good, you're welcome. No comment. No comment. What the hell is going on? Oh. Stick to 20 in the 20 zone, and what you need to do is take your time. Don't let the rider behind you influence your speed. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Yes, keep it steady, a steady pace. 1920, that's all you need. Oh look, now the Audi behind me is trying to push up. Fuck off, mate. Fucking Audi. You fucking big balls. Fucking Audi. It's so big. What is it, Q7? Fucking massive. Piss off out of my back, mate. You're gonna run me over. Ah, he's not on my ass anymore. You got another car's in front. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Fucking Audi. Fuck off. Oh, there he is. Mr. Big Bollocks. Oh, he's holding back now. He's holding back now. He's like, oh, I could run those boys over if I wanted to. But you know what? I wouldn't. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Meant to be a 20 zone. I can't slow down because he's up my ass. It's 20. Dude, it's 20. Slow down. Slow down, you bastard. Oh my God. Oh my bloody God. Will you go straight? Just go straight. Oh. Oh, the bike slipped. Ah, you piss. Yeah, you piss off, Audi. Bastard. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, I can see look, angry as fuck right now. I can see in his hands that he's angry like this. Because he's pissed off. Oh, that's amazing. You see him like, oh. He's pissed. This man is pissed. I've got to stay behind him. He's full on in rage mode currently. Like, where are you going? Like the VW's now on he's in position 3 now. Get back into position 2, you knob. He's purpose. You have to brake now. Calm down. Go for it, fella. Go for it. No. Oh, I can't stop laughing. Oh, the bus broke up the tension. Now, this guy will want to catch up. Oh, dear. Oh, bus is getting out of the way, lovely. Oh, it's gone. Where did it go? Look how fast he's going. Oh, stop it. Chill out, dude. I'm gonna slow down now because I'm being bad. Look how fast he's going. There we go. He let out all his frustrations by driving fast. There's the Is that it? I think that's the VW.